here. And of course, if you hear chirping, some of that is Willow wanting Mimo. He's eagerly trying to jump ship. Willow trying her best to get up here.
Almost there.
Oh, poor Willow. Well, we're not even, where is she? Not even 20 minutes in and she's already whining for Mamo. Poor Willow. Can't find them. No, not right there. Hi. There they are.
Why are you always standing up underneath me? Don't do it.
It's a beautiful day in Brooklyn, Mississippi on Black Creek. Took the fur babies out and just out here enjoying a beautiful day on Labor Day. Yep.
Huh?
What are you doing, sweetie girl? What are you doing, you little wet bullet? Oh my goodness. You're so wet. Oh my gosh, you're so wet. Have you been driving Daddy nuts with your whining, huh? Whining for Mimo. Mimo doesn't even want it. Hmm? No, thank you. Mimo's like, oh, it's time for food. Oh my goodness. Oh, smell that, huh? Smell some chicken? Yeah, it's not doesn't do anything to keep that smell out. I almost want that nasty girl to be playing whenever I see her kid.
It's hard to follow, especially if you've got it zoomed in.